Hi, this is Kendra from Pencil and Pigment, and today is my Monday Playing With Me video. So today is August the 22nd, and this is what we're doing today. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? I am using a Pilot Juice 05. This is the turquoise green. I will link all products that I'm using in the description box below. So tomorrow is Tuesday, which is my Art Around the World. And for the month of August, I am doing Botswana. And it has been fascinating. I've been having a great time doing that. Wednesday, we're going to talk about legacy art supplies and some things that might surprise you with how some of these companies have changed in the last 2 years, 5 years, 10 years with some of the things that make them unique. Where they ship from now, who makes their products now. We're just going to have a chat about legacy art supplies while I doodle and draw, and it'll be fun. And then Thursdays are my Draw With Me. This is going to be the last one that goes up at a reasonable hour. Next week, school starts back up again for our kids. We do homeschool. And my Thursday videos are going to go up later in the evening. So that's what that is. And then Friday, I want to talk about the Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolor set. I have one. I've had one for so long. I want to talk about like tips and tricks, maybe pros and cons of the product. If you're really curious or you want to get started in watercolor and you don't want to invest, hundreds of dollars, the Cotman is a great beginner's learning student level set. I gift this one to children. Anyway, we're going to have a chat with it and we're going to go over some pros and cons. The holiday season is coming and this is one of the more budget-friendly watercolor sets. Okay, I take Saturdays off. And then Sunday is going to be my no-buy. This is going to be my August check-in. This is the last Sunday of the month. So that's my check-in. Now, I was listening to a movie and I was doodling and drawing and trying to get this to look any amount of interesting. So what I did was I took the Uniball Signo in gold, and this is the high release. Anyway, and I have some washi tape that's by Scotch. It's close to washi tape. It has it's thin. I don't know if this helps to show you how it's kind of coated. It's the closest to washi tape I think Scotch can do. It's not very transparent. See what I'm saying? Like you can't see bottom things through it. Just so you know, Scotch Expressions makes a washi tape. It's much more opaque and there's kind of a little bit of a coating, but it's very thin and it's very nice. And this one's fun. It has stars, if you are into stars. And then I did some gold circles just for fun. And then I am going to I'm going to turn these into big old robust birds. Are you ready? I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I just thought it would be hilarious to sort of turn these into birds. Like these are the bodies. Oh, remind me not to go into bird design. Okay. Alrighty, it'll be okay. I just thought this would be super funny. I mean, I guess I could have made these moons and had birds flying over or something, but I just thought it would be super cute if get some bird legs up in here and make these some silly birds. And we could just be silly birds together. Anyway. So that's one rotund bird. Let's do another one. Oh my goodness. How was your weekend? Was it relaxing? Did you get things done? Are you working on any art projects? Are you looking forward to September? Sketchtember is in September, and that's a great opportunity to work on some preliminary sketches for some larger projects, maybe later in the year. Maybe you are doing like a handmade holiday or something, and you need some time to sketch things out and plan things out. September is a great month for that because of Sketchtember, so highly recommend. Drawing without any pressure, just little fun sketches can be so much fun and like freeing and easier, it's less pressure. All right, let's do some more. There's my other silly bird. They're all sort of looking up at each other, in admiration or something. Making sure this is on camera. Anyway. I don't know. I can't tell you. I'm in a goofy mood. We're still getting things closed out for our last school year, getting things done for this school year. Our kids, our twins are 11, and they made homemade blackberry cake. Oh my gosh, I can't with these kids. We give them unfettered access with our kitchen and stuff, and they just get a hankering to bake, and then it's amazing. All right, so there's this silly little bird, and this is the bird that's going to hold the month at a glance calendar. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful Monday. Really do consider, Sketchtember and some of the different things you can get out of that drawing challenge for preliminary studies and sketch ideas and things for composition and layout. You could even do a Sketchtember where you just do swatches and work on color combinations and color theory. All right, here's my last bird. So this is what this looks like. I hope you enjoyed this. These are the videos I'm going to be doing for the week. So if you are interested in any of those, here they are. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.